Good morning, all. After attending our think tank session, I have decided to put together a video to address questions that were asked during the session. Please review the video at your leisure, and I look forward to your feedback. Old Images does not represent what the company has to offer now. This company is a multi-generation, multicultural, and multigender corporation. Our company provides multi-level of services. Furthermore, focusing on American photos only, we are ignoring a multitude of cultures and races. Next, displaying only family pictures across the entire website will not inform the community of the quality services that this medical group has to offer. For example, this picture displays a nurse and a pediatric patient. It does not represent the other medical services and specialty departments this medical group has to offer. This is a great picture here, but what message is it sending about the company? It does not display a medical purpose or the goal of this medical group. If there were a persuading statement, for example, exercise for the elderly can strengthen the bones, then this picture would be an excellent advertisement statement. When advertising a medical facility, it is important to know what the community needs and what the community is expecting from any company. For example, hours of operation, holiday schedules, other evening hours, and what are the other specialty doctors are available. The best method to get the answer to these questions would be to conduct a patient survey. People are attracted visually to images that show cultures to which they belong. This picture illustrates a husband, a wife, and a child enjoying life on a sunny day. One could add an advertising statement that would persuade the community to choose this medical facility for their care. For example, the statement could say, "The health and well-being of our patients and their families are our top priority." This would be a strong, persuasive, and important statement. Viewer perspective is another form of visual persuasive imagery. Images are used to catch the eyes of the viewer. It is important to persuade the viewer to change their behavior, see themselves better. This image can be used specifically for employees to join the company's gym. Not only does this medical facility care for its patients and their family, but also the mental and physical well-being of our employees. In addition, this image demonstrates exercise can be done in all forms, including lifting weights. Visual emotional appeal. Persuasive visual communication will utilize visual elements to heighten and intensify a response from a viewer. It is important to capture the audience with a product they are familiar with. This image can be used to advertise the medical group's dietitian department. It shows a diverse group of people enjoying what they are eating. It tells the story of healthy eating while enjoying what you are eating. This visual element will appeal to the emotional senses of the audience. I am sure if AJ Medical Group update their advertisement images with the visual persuasion information I have provided, there will be an increase in patient clientele and revenue. The new marketing visual imagery will attract not only new patients, but also community business support.